I'm going to film another vlog. I'm going to be walking around York today, so I will take you with me if I can and I don't forget and all that thing. So yes, let's see York. We are in York City Centre and it's full of bridges, so I'm going to show you what I can now as I'm walking. Saturday Road. I feel a bit odd. Okay, so let's have a look here. Very pretty. There are loads of bridges here. If you haven't been, you should. I'll try to show you the other side. There's a prettier view. Here is more. This is a really nice church that became a club. It's kind of interesting for me. So yeah, and that's the other side. I'm back home after work and I wanted to show you what I got today. It's my cane, which is when you are partially sighted, you can get a cane which warns people that you can't see well. I decided to get one because I almost got hit by a bike because I didn't notice, I didn't see the bike. So yeah, so I got this, and when you walk you hold it like this in front of you. It's not like the ones that the blind people hold to help them navigate any obstacles that are on the floor or the ground. But this is more to let other people know that, hey, I can't see. Some people hold it like this. Some people hold it on their side so they can have more space. And I thought I'd mention it. I used it for the first time today. Hang on, let me just... As I said, I used it for the first time. I switched the camera. I used it for the first time today, and I found that lots of people were giving me more space, which is what I wanted, and they were more aware that I couldn't see. So, yeah. What can I say? I like my cane. And if you're partially sighted, you should really think about getting one. Because it's very helpful. Yeah. So, anyway, just wanted to pop in, continue the vlog. I also did a grocery run. So I'm going to show you what I got. Cocoa Pops. I know, I'm 42 and I eat Cocoa Pops. Who else eats Cocoa Pops? I got some fresh French fries, which are McCain, and I put them in the oven and I have fries. I got this kefir. Now this is really tasty. Well, it's not amazingly tasty milk, but it's really good for your gut. So you should try it. It's a strawberry and grapefruit smoothie. Hang on. Then I got some chicken, which I'm gonna put in the oven in a minute because my friend's coming over. I got from Saintsburry the mandarin jelly, which has pieces of mandarin in it. It's yummy, nice little sweet. I got these. If you haven't tried them and you really like seeds and like dry bread and all that, it's Karg's Emmental cheese and pumpkin seed. I like taking these to work as a snack or eating them at night time with cheese, extra cheese. So they're really nice and filling. And I also got some dough balls because my friend's coming over, and napkins because people don't buy napkins. But I do. So tonight I'm going to have the fries, the chicken, the dough balls and a salad because my friend's coming over. And yeah, I shall speak to you tomorrow. Okay, so I said I'll talk to you tomorrow, but I forgot to show you what I got from Primark. Oops, hang on. So I bought a t-shirt and I like the sleeves. I was going to say shelves. I like the sleeves. They're nice and very thick material, and I got one for me and one for my sister. £4. I got my mum a long t-shirt in red, so this is like quite long, and it is $3.50. I got some PJs as a present for my mum. £6. I got myself some PJs. So you get the top and the bottom, short sleeve. How much were they? They were £8, £9. I got these wipes just to quickly take off makeup. And I also got this makeup bag because it had a hook. So you hook things, you take it with you when you're traveling, like if you're staying at a hotel. It's got one pocket that doesn't come off, one pocket that does. It's got this scratchy thing, what are they called? So you can take it off if you don't need it. And I'm going to use it. I'm going to tell you what I think. It's also got another pocket. And this was £5 at Primark. So, yeah. And that's my little Primark haul. Now I'm going to say bye-bye. We will talk tomorrow. It's Sunday and I'm on bed rest. And I'm bored. I'm reading my book. I've talked about this book. I really liked the start of it, so I mentioned it as a favourite. And I really think it's good. Eleanor Oliphant is completely fine. And so far, it's got a nice little twist. I'm still in the beginning though, so I'm on page, I don't know, page 55. But I'm really into it. And I'm trying to think of things I can do when I'm on bed rest, because it's going to be boring. And because I want to share my boredom, I decided to turn on my camera. I'm in my pyjamas. This is my pyjama top. I know it looks amazing. I've got a little bit of bread on me. And yeah, I will resume this lovely vlog in a bit. Like another day this week. Everyone, this is going to be the last day of the vlog. Hi everyone, another day, another vlog. I'm going to add to my original vlog. I'm still on bed rest. I'm going to show you something I got the other day, and I'm going to finish off with just planning, because what can you do when you're stuck in bed? You just plan. So let me show you what I got. This is what I got from this store called Futon. It's on my bed now, and it is a laptop table, and you can make it stand up higher, and then there's a cool little drawer, and it's got its little legs there, and I'm going to put it on my lap and do all my planning stuff whilst in bed. And this cost me about, I don't know, £25. So I think it's good value for money. It's from a company called Futon. It's in York, so if you can get your hands on it, check it out. The bed tray looks like bed tray table. Yeah, anyway, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to keep it on me though, because I'm on bed rest due to my leg, and I don't want to squash it with a table and then I put stuff on it and then like make it even worse. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to just organize all my planner stuff here in bed. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll show you how I'm gonna organize everything. If you're a planner girl, keep watching. Just organizing everything. Put all my stickers together. This is my planner, a spread I had made a long time ago and haven't really shared. I like it. I use a lot of things from the Planner Society kit, which is like a subscription box, which I stopped. But I might subscribe again later on, just a few boxes. And yeah, I organized everything. So, box is empty. I've got loads and loads of stickers and stuff in my folder over there. And I have this little sticker book which came with the Planner Society kit. And I put everything in here. Really cool stuff. I'm going to make a planner related video later on in the week when I can move around. And if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to sign off here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you'd like to see in following videos if you found anything interesting. And I'll see you in my next vlog and in my content. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.